Whoa, it's hot. And I have just the thing. You've probably seen the thumbnail already, but I'm going to do the whole foreshadowing. I've even got a lollipop stick. It's 40 Celsius in the UK today, and I think we're going to break a record. But I knew it was coming after seeing the weather, and I ordered myself a Dreo air conditioning unit. Now, a lot of air conditioning units make a strong promise. You'll be able to sleep with it in the room. It's just a blissful white noise. Others tell you that you don't need to worry about emptying, and yet alarms go off in the middle of the night and it's an error code and there's a puddle on the floor. How will the Dreo 318S fare? Well, I'm happy to say I'm about to unbox it, so let's do it together, get it running, and hopefully I won't be so sweaty by the end of the video. The Dreo portable air conditioner claims to pack 2.2 kilowatts of cooling power with a dual motor system that eliminates manual draining entirely. Today we put those claims to the test in a real-world stress test, my humid home in the middle of the UK summer, to see, is this a summer lifesaver or just a loud, expensive fan? The key feature worth mentioning is a nerdy 2.2 kilowatts, which in energy terms supports 7,500 British thermal units, or BTU. But that really is the nerdy bit. The bit we're interested in is this is an ice-cold cool system. It's like being sat in a brand new air-conditioned car in the middle of a summer day. You're totally unaffected by the weather outside, and that is what we want. In simple terms, this Dreo air conditioner is perfect for a room around 15 square meters. That's the sweet spot for saving on both energy and rapidly achieving the target temperature. I tested it in a slightly bigger room at home and it was sitting at a brutal 32 Celsius, but in exactly 18 minutes I managed to drop it to a more comfortable 26 Celsius. And of course, it just continued to get better. This is perfect for smaller rooms like a bedroom or an office. But not all air conditioners are the same. The Dreo 318S features a wide swing angle and optimized air duct. The advanced fan design keeps the airflow moving fast, so you don't get that weird one freezing corner and one hot corner vibe. Check this out. Thanks to the wide swing angle, it's not just blasting air in a straight line, it moves literally across the entire room. If you position it just right, then you're not getting blasted with cold air to the face and the rest of the room still feeling stuffy. It really does create an equal temperature throughout the entire room. This air conditioner has a dual motor system with smart moisture sensors. Now, portable air conditioners usually condense water into an internal tank that you have to empty that gross water. The Dreo 318S uses a dual motor setup that automatically vaporizes the water out through the exhaust hose. After running overnight around 8 hours in 70% humidity, 0 leaks, 0 manual draining, and no annoying auto shutoffs, this unit won't give you a puddle on the floor in the middle of the night. The first annoyance of air conditioning is the noise. The Dreo has a noise-isolated compressor, and the marketing says, well, it will run at 46 decibels, so I thought I'd test that out too. But I did set it at full blast just to see how loud it can be. And as you can see from the monitor, even at full whack, it's no louder than a conversation. Now, I suspect the 46 decibels that's quoted is done with a proper sound meter and not some iPhone app. But I can tell you that in a quieter environment, it does just hum in the background like some worktop ice machine. For the lowest level of noise on this, you can obviously drop the fans and reduce the amount of airflow in the room. So if you are noise minded, don't worry, you can sleep with this just on a lower power. And from the nerdy spec of the product details, I can tell you that because they isolated that compressor, you don't get an aggressive rattling sound when that cooling kicks on. You know, think of a fridge or a freezer as it kicks in. That doesn't happen with the Dreo air conditioner. It's genuinely quiet enough for you to sleep right through the night with just faint background noise. In fact, it replaces your sleeping app subscription for white noise, so that's a win. Now, I'm all about the smart home life, and that's where the Dreo always hits hard. It has a class-leading app and smart speaker integration, two features that I just love. Alexa, turn the air conditioner on. The best tech is the tech that enhances life through its subtleties, saving you time to do other things. The Dreo app lets you pre-cool your room, and I love that you can turn it on from your phone while going about your day, meaning that when you walk back into the room it's set up in, it's perfectly chilled. With one simple command word to a smart device in the corner of your room, the Dreo app hooks up to the Google Home or Alexa with a couple of taps. I saved you your device going off. That's fine. You can hit like now. The feature that stands out is the compact, high-efficiency build. Portable air conditioners are notoriously bulky units that are expensive to run, but Dreo's 318S model of air conditioner really does hit the sweet spot. At 7,500 British thermal units, this strikes the perfect balance for a smaller space, but efficiency. You can get your home, office or bedroom comfortable without the fear of a big electricity bill or a big, bulky, ugly unit to look at. Then there's the fact that I can still function in the hottest weather. That's a high return on investment, and it's available in black as well as the white model that I have. So is the Dreo portable air conditioner, the 318S, worth it? Well, if you have a massive open plan living room, then the answer is probably no. You'll need something bigger, or you'll be running this unit at full power, desperately trying to achieve the temperature that you set. That's just not going to work. But for a bedroom or office space, small apartment where you absolutely dread the middle of the night drainage run or cutout or noise, this is an incredibly smart bit of kit. It's hassle-free, and that is literally it for this one. I'm going to carry on in my blissful, cool, temperature-controlled room, and I'll see you in the next one.